Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. By staying at home, you all are enjoying the summer holidays. Children, once again, this is a computer session, and in today's session, I will discuss with you about lesson 4. Name of lesson 4 is Files and Folders in Windows 7. A part or portion of the whole lesson, Files and Folders in Windows 7, I will discuss today with you. Mainly, basically, today's point of discussion is files and folders. Gradually, we will cover topics one by one, or one by one I will cover the topics of this lesson. So today only I am going to cover the points files and folders with you. First point is to be covered is file. Children, look at this image. This image is showing you all the folders kept inside the file crease inside the users folder, and users subfolder is kept inside the C folder or C drive. Let us know about file. A file is the common storage unit in a computer, and all programs and data are written into a file and read from a file is kept inside a folder. So in one language, what I will say that file is nothing but a common storage space, and we user use file to store different type of elements such as text, picture, sound, videos, etc. So formally, once again, I am sharing with you about the definition of a file. A file is a common storage unit in a computer, and all programs and data are written into a file and read from a file. A file can contain anything like drawing, text, picture, sound, video, etc. in it. Every file has its unique name. That means we cannot find two files or more than two files are of same name. Each file contains an unique name. No two files of same name or type can be saved at the same location in the computer. Each type of files has a specific icon as well as extension name to uniquely identify them. Today's second point of discussion is about folders. This image is giving you some idea about folders. Folders we get in each and every household where we just used to keep important informations or paper records. Same way in computer, folders contains file, and we can say folders contains several types of information. Now I will define all about folders. A folder is a location for organizing files. A similar group of files saved together under a common name is called a folder. Again, I am repeating the same statement for you for your better understanding. A similar group of files saved together under a common name is called a folder. A folder can also have its unique name. Most folders contain files. Some folders contain additional folders which we call subfolders. Folders are also called subdirectories, and they are created on the hard drive or hard disk when the operating system and applications of a computer are installed. Files are always stored in folders. In fact, even the computer's desktop is a special kind of folder that displays its contents across the screen. Today's next point of discussion is all about viewing files and folders. We can view the files we create. Whatever files we create, we can view them later on, as well as those we download and copy to our computer that are stored on our hard disk drive. That means not only whatever the files we have created, some files we also download from the internet for our future use or to gather some information. Those files also we can store inside our hard disk drive. There are 4 main folders in Windows 7 in which our files are saved. By default, they are document files, pictures, music and videos. Now in elaboration, I will say that whenever we create and save a document file, it gets stored in the document folder. Next, whenever we save any picture file or whenever we save any picture from digital camera or scanner or internet, it gets stored in the picture folder. Thirdly, whenever we download any music file, it gets stored in the music folder. Similarly, whenever you download any video file from internet or through any other medium, it gets stored in the videos folder. Children, to view folders and files, we have to open them first. Without opening them, we cannot view them. So how do we open them? Now I will discuss with you about the steps to open the folders and then to view the folders, subfolders and files inside them. How do we open folders and files? Children, look at this image, the desktop screen of the computer. You will find one option over there, computer or my computer. You have to double click on computer or my computer option on the desktop. Otherwise, another way is there to open my computer. What is this? Click on start button, then on the computer option from the start menu. So what to do? Click on the start button. When you will click on the start button, you will get one option, list. From that list, you have to select computer or my computer option from the start menu. Next, I will discuss with you when the my computer folder will be opened in front of you, what are the options available to you. Look at this screen only, children. When my computer or computer option will be opened, you will get a screen like this. Here we will get local disk C, disk D, DVD drive, redundant drive E, and DVD redundant drive F. Local disk C area displays the hard drives available inside the computer. Next, D drive. If we double click on the D drive option, it will display the contents of a drive or folder. Next, children, another option we are getting DVD redundant drive E. Name of the drive is E. What it is option means what are the functions or available options we will get from here. Area represents CD-ROM as well as DVD drive and any other drives available in the computer. So this area represents CD-ROM, DVD drive and any other drives available in my computer, which one is I am using right now. Come to the left hand side, children. Here many options are available. First category is favorites. Come down. Second category is available here is libraries. Inside the libraries option heading, we will get first option, that is documents. We click on the documents option, and by clicking the documents option, we explore the files and folders available inside it. Now children, we have reached at the end point of today's discussion. Lastly, I will discuss with you about how do we get contents of any folder, including the subfolder of any folder. Suppose in this screen, name of the folder is documents and one subfolder available over here is notes. In this figure, children, we are getting 4 subfolders of the folder documents. Custom office templates, notes, resumes and scanned documents. Children, suppose to be, if we want to view what are the files available inside the subfolder notes, then we have to double click on the folder named notes. When we will double click on it, then what we will get? The contents of the subfolder notes. Means whatever another or other subfolders and files are contained by the subfolder or namely the folder's notes. So this is only our today's point of discussion. Today we have discussed about files, folders and viewing method of file and folders. This much is for today's session, children. In the next session, I will discuss with you about few more points related to the lesson files and folders in Windows 7. So, here I will wind up today's session only. Children, I hope your conception related to files and folders are clear today through this session. Even then, if you are having any more doubts within your mind, let us clear in our online session of computer. Till then, goodbye children. Take care.